Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm here again today and I'm going to show you things I've been buying. Well, sometimes you can not leave things behind because they're meant to be for you, you see, so you gotta go buy them, don't you? Okay. Now, I went to Vinnie's, was it yesterday? Yes, yesterday. And I picked up some bits and pieces. No, that's not from Vinnie's, this is not from Vinnie's. I bought some fabric. I know I have to go through my fabric and sort through my fabric, but I don't have any like this, so I'm buying it, okay? $1 it cost me for this nice great big piece, and it's a brocade on glaze thing, I think. Is that what you call this? Maybe? No, I don't know. It's not eyelet, but I don't know. It is, excuse me, really nice. If I wanted to, it's got enough there to make something out of as clothes, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use that in something, but I'm thinking I'm going to be fading it down a little bit with something over the top of it. You know, just to different ideas that I've thought of. What could I do with that? But there's got to be something, you know. So that's that piece. That's good. That turned off that air conditioner. I got. This cost me $1 a piece. Look at this. Isn't this good? It is black or gold, whichever side you like. And I'm thinking this is going to be really cool in part of my gypsy books. What do you reckon? Isn't that nice? I'm going. I don't really need all that, but there's a truckload of this here. And I'm going to have a giveaway later on, so there's going to be stuff in there too. So anyway, I'm going to. I'll look at this bit because I opened those ones. Couldn't help myself. See, this one was $1 too. It's $1 for. It says 1 metre. I know I've got one piece in there. It says $1 and it's a metre, but there's about 4 metres there. So they must have just thought they'd just go with what they thought it might cost. Now this is black. I mean, people might not like black, but black's cool when you put something else with it and just. You know, that's gold and black, isn't it? That's good for Halloween stuff or Halloween stuff, I said. Or even, you know, it's going to come in handy, I know. It's something that I really liked, and I thought, oh boy, I'm having that bit too. I lost your beans here somewhere, but let's get them. Now this'll rock your socks. What about this piece? Oh my goodness. This is what they said there was a metre of here. There's enough here to make me a, I don't know, but I wouldn't. I'm not going to. I'm going to use it to make buttons. I want to make buttons out of it, fabric buttons or something, you know. I'm going to, I won't be, I'd have a lot of buttons if I was using it just for buttons. But even to put it on to a page, and then if I don't want to use it all, I can just give it to somebody, give it back to Vinnie's if I don't use it all. But anyway, that's that piece. And then I got this because I bought this. This is a bri nylon, which people probably my age would remember thing, and they really they get caught to your skin if you've got any dry bits of you know, I have a bit there. It was made back when they used to put SSW on your clothes. Now some of the ladies out there might like to remind me about what that meant. SSW. I remember when I was young, yes, there was them sizes. The reason I bought this is because I wanted, because whoever had it never used it. It's brand new. It had all this trim on it. I've picked all that off. I've even tried to make a little flower. It's starting anyway. Look, and I think I might be able to use that. I don't know. I'm sure I will. And then this is a piece that I will use in my fabric scrappy thingies if I want to do anything. See, I love it. It's a bit of the trim. So out of this piece, it cost me, it's a jammy top thing. It cost me $2. And I think I might get a few different bits, because on the inside I don't mind it's pink, but you know. And what I wasn't paying attention to was when I bought it, at every buttonhole they over-sewed those little flowers, so I've got sections. The only long bit I got was what went around the neck part and the sleeves. So, but anyway, so I paid a couple of dollars for that, but I wanted the little flowers because I can't see any of those out there in the world, or I can't buy them for that much money anyway. So even if you didn't want to use them as a little string, they're really good to cut apart and put little other little ones in. I'd use probably the pink and the blue. You could change the insides of those too, couldn't you? The yellow and the pink ones. But I wanted that because of that flower. Okay. Then I found this other piece of material, which is a look at it. Isn't it bright? I said to Jeremy, I think I'll just throw that on my front and just wear that. That's really cool. I love the colours. Absolutely love these colours together. They look so good, don't they? I'll be making a few beads and maybe a gypsy thing out of it. I don't know if I haven't opened this yet. I suppose there's a metre in there. It says a metre for $1. You know, when the people that don't know about stuff do things, you get more than what you bargain for. Really, I suppose there's a metre there, but there's lots. Look at that, that's all good. And you know, cut that into bits and put it on things. Even the flowers, you know, you cut them up and use them in a collage or something. You know what? I've got a lot of stuff, but you should plan to live forever, right? Nothing to say, I'm not going to be able to use all that. The idea is to plan to live forever, so you will, and you always need something. I got this little tablecloth, and it's a good, oh well, it's a nice one. It's in good nick. This only cost me $1. It's in good nick, nothing wrong with it. Yeah, it might be going in my giveaway too, I think, that one. It's white. But if somebody wins that, and they will, because I'm going to put that in there as well, it'll be good if you're tea-dyed or something, if you wanted to do that with it. But anyway, now, this was something that I was really thrilled with. This dress. Okay, now I didn't know until I actually got home that this part here is not actually connected to it, so we've got this underneath bit, right? So we're not really, but we've got all this lace. Look at this lace on here. Look at the lace on here. Oh boy, gonna get a bit of a dip first before I do anything with it. It's gonna have to have a little bath. Isn't it nice? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All those pretty bits and pieces. There's no beads in it, and this here, I love the colour. Isn't that colour gorgeous? And then it's got 2 sleeves, and really, really nice. And I'm gonna be sharing some of that as well. So at least half, I suppose. Isn't it good? That cost me $5. I know, but look at the amount of stuff that's in it. For $5, I'm not going to be grizzling about that. Okay, so then yesterday, even though it was pouring down rain, well, it wasn't really, but I suppose it was raining. Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm drinking like a fish today. I went to another shop, another opportunity shop, I'll call them, because they're, you know, where you get an opportunity, don't you? And working on my gypsy albums. This was like gold to me. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? And there's heaps of it there. It's got little dangly bits like little bells and little... Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, and even got a little bit of bling on there, a bit of diamonds. It's a necklace. Cost me $3, I think. These did each. But I ain't going to squawk at that. I mean, you know, that's just awesome. I thought to myself, I wasn't going in there, and then I would not. No, oh come on, just have a quick look, you know. Oh no, I spent too much. No, come on, let's go. So I went, took myself into it like that. And isn't that cool? Oh dear, that's good. And I can use that in there somehow. You know, I will. And then there was this one, and this one's got really solid, heavy metal round discs on it. They've got little tiny butterflies. Little tiny butterflies. I don't know if you can see that, but there's little tiny butterflies all over that back and front of these little metal bits. And then, well, there's a heap on there, look. And this one cost me $3 as well. as I said to the lady, whereabouts is your jewellery? Because it was moved to a different place. And I thought, it was up the back a bit. I thought, oh no. And then I did. And you know what? You need something was leading me towards it. It really was. But anyway, so that's all I found. Not really. There was something else that I got. A piece of a strap. Where's that thing? Where is that thing gone to? Yeah. It was a minute ago. I might have put the material on top of it because it was sitting over here. Hang on. Material back in the bag. Oh, yeah. Radio things just disappear on using it, and you. Oh, right. Oh, I did have another thing, but I'll have to show you. Oh, no. Where did that go? I was sitting there a minute ago. I'm probably looking right at it. I am too. I got this, and it's fasteners. It cost me 50 cents. And I'm going to open it because I can't help myself. Because I thought if I can dye these straps, they could somehow go around a book or something, couldn't they? If I did, because these are, because they're old as the hills, but somebody didn't, obviously, that's like it's got a, she's got to fasten a dress or something up at the back of that. But I think this is cool because, and it's an elastic thing, I'm sure I can put something on there to colour that and fix that up so I can use them. So that was a good thing that I found. I think so. And that was it, I think, for the day. So I had a really good day, and then when I was coming home, because it was peeing down rain, I had no shelter over my gopher. I had all the groceries. My daughter said, Mum, do you want me to take them home? I thought, no, I'm independent, I can do it myself. I stopped in at one of the local shops, paid $7 for this great big stripy green and white umbrella with one hand on the gopher, steering and accelerator, because you do it with your fingers. Accelerator, you just push it down, and I'm hooting along there, and I know I went so slow coming over. It's pouring down rain. It was such fun. I was not one bit angry like some people would be. And I thought to myself, I know my hubby's not going to be worried about me because he knows I'll manage somehow. And when I got home, he said, no. He said, that's right. He said, you always do. I always know what the right thing is to do. And my daughter, actually, when I was nearly home, pulled up in the car alongside me and said, I just come to see how you're going, Mum. I said, I'm fine, thank you. I'm having fun. So, but anyway. So thank you, everybody, for watching. And I hope you all have a good day. And if you're in Australia, stay out of the heat. If you're in America, stay out of the cold. Or in England, stay out of the cold. And just craft along, and please leave your comments and tell me what you think about the things that I buy or whatever, or my channel. I don't mind. I like to read different things. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye. I'm trying to think this switch.